Hey, so social selling, it is the best way to reach into accounts or targeted people, personas within accounts that you want to sell into. Here is a couple of reasons why, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a couple of seconds. Many companies are doing cold outreach on LinkedIn, they're doing cold emails, and people have a short attention span. So if you don't reach them at the right time, they often do not reply at all. So why is social selling so relevant? Well, imagine you go to Sales Navigator, you target out an ABM campaign, account-based marketing, as some would say, account-based sales. You map in those accounts, you found the decision makers, your champions, your influencers, created 3 different categories, lead list, you subscribe on them. Now, when those individuals are going to post on LinkedIn, well, the AI algorithm from demand is automatically going to engage with them. And once you start doing that, they get aware you exist. I'm going to show you right here how it works and how I booked some demos with some really large public traded companies and how you can do it for your business. So stay tuned and look here. So let's dive in. First, we're going to go in and we're going to look at our leads. So I created some leads filters here inside Sales Navigator. So for example, US 100 VP sales. These are people I want to reach into. It's so simple. I copy the URL, I go into demand, and then I give it a name, VP sales 100, put in the URL, put the language I want to comment in, and then I chose what type of comment I want to do. I like to say, ask a question. You know why? Because I'm engaging with them. I'm going to have them comment back, and I'm going to show you in reality how that works in a couple of seconds on my account. Then I put in how many people. Then I turn on Advanced AI. Advanced AI is basically Autopilot instead of Copilot. So it's automatically will comment all the time for you when any of those 100 people are posting on LinkedIn. We crawl every 24 hours, so you will engage within a couple of hours from when the post in average. The second part is uncommon. I can choose an automation to add them to. I'm going to show in a second how that works. Then I start social selling. So if I go in and see how this automation that get added to actually looks, I put it in so 2 days after, I can change that if I want, just change the value. I'm going to send them a connection request, and I'm using AI to actually tailor it around the post they did. So they get an AI tailored connection request. Then I wait 2 days later, and then I do a follow-up message. I can even add in emails and so on and so forth. So you can do multi-channel. Once they are posting and AI plays a comment, they will automatically roll in based on your timings here. And then you're building a sales funnel where you first make a social connection, you're being resourceful, helpful, asking questions, and now they know who you are, and you can slowly build up that relationship to turn them into a qualified lead. Now, in my case, I actually know Daniel. I met him at an event. I was in Bucharest. And I met him at an event, and I didn't know we were connected. I didn't know it ran on LinkedIn to him. And actually, he was in one of my lists and automatically asked back, like, what are some key indicators that indicate a marketing team is effectively aligned with company goals and customer needs? He's answering, as you see right here, in deep detail. And we go back and forward. Now, he wrote me back in private. He couldn't believe that was AI that did it, and he actually started using it right now. Now I can keep going down. Some replies, some will not. You see here, Elliot again. He's coming back to me, and you will notice a lot of engagement from the individuals. There are sometimes I'm trying to go back in time here. There are some people when they are posting, other people actually reply back, but you see my engagement here. Paul, he posted, and I actually have another person getting back to me, which then opens up another opportunity. So social selling can make a big difference in opening the doors. Once you make that social interaction, you can take them private and you can slowly warm them up, because now we kind of know each other. It's completely different than when you're just doing cold outreach. So now that you learned what social selling is, the question is, what is holding you back from opening up new opportunities that are hard to get around, that you weren't able to open before? You wouldn't find the time. You might do it manually, but it's so hard to keep up with all the tasks you're having. So here's my deal. Go to usedemand.com. You do 7 days free trial, and you get started right now. So get started with social selling. And thank you for watching.